Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the trash can that comes with FlexiPRINT. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now we're into the program here. So like I mentioned in the intro, we're going to be looking at the trash can, and this is ideal to find files which you've deleted maybe some time ago, and then you can kind of restore them and work from that. Very handy little feature to have. And then yeah, so let's jump into it. So what we're going to do is just quickly create a few shapes. I'm going to let's make a rectangle here. Then maybe a circle on the inside, just so we have something we can delete. Throw this here, change the color just so it's obvious that we are working with something else. And then maybe some text. It's going to be a text, and then I see my caps are on, so let's just do that again. Text. I'm gonna change the color to the same and just scale this one up. Move it on top. So let's say this was your design you were busy working on. Maybe at some point you weren't happy with something, so let's say I'll delete the circle and the text. Then you carry on working, and then eventually realize you actually want those stuff back. Because I mean, keep in mind, it could be something more complex. Maybe it was a few shapes and designs grouped together. Then what you can do is recover from your actual trash, because if you go undo, it's going to undo your latest work, and it might be beyond your undo limit, and then you cannot recover it. So then what we're going to do is open our trash and change that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly just zoom in here and show you guys. So on our primary toolbar on top here, next to the undo and redo features, the third icon, which is our design editor. So the shortcut for that is E. If I click this, it will open up our design editor with our layers tab. Now you might be tempted to go and try open this somehow to look for the layers, the trash, but it's not going to be there. It's going to be under your actual second menu on top here, which is objects. If I open this, then I open the top one, the master page, and then you'll see here we've got trash. So if I expand this one, you'll see there's those two shapes we've deleted. Now what you can do is you right click this, you copy, and you can simply just paste here. If I go right click paste, then you'll see it gives us the option we can place it, which can be quite handy. But what I normally like to do is I would copy the shape, and then I'll do the special paste, which on the edit you can see here is called paste over. Okay, so not the special paste, it's actually a special paste as well. Paste over, Control Shift V. Let's try that again. I pressed the wrong button. So Control Shift V, and then I'll place it exactly where you copied it from. So likewise, I'm going to take this one, right click, copy, select the back, and Control Shift V, which is very handy. Now let's say you run into a problem, because that can happen. Let's say I'm just going to show you, you were looking for your trash, going to find it here. Okay, here's the text. So I'm going to go right click copy, click here, Control Shift V, and you see nothing's happening. I'm going to right click paste, nothing's happening either. Now what could have happened there, let me just unexpand that, is that under your layers, zoom in so you guys can see, you've clicked on another one. So maybe the trash or something on that line. So now it's trying to paste it straight into the trash. So what you want to do is make sure you click on your current layer group you're working on, which is layer 1. And then if I had to do the same thing, Control Shift V, you will see it places it there back for us on the right layer. So like I mentioned, very handy to recover things. So that is under your design editor, which is on your primary toolbar. Now let's say you want to clean up your trash. Then what you can do is go to edit, then we want to go to trash can and say empty trash. And then what that's going to do, as you can imagine, it's going to remove everything from your trash. So if we go back to our trash, and you can see there's nothing anymore. We cannot expand it. and find the item. So if you want to clean up, maybe save some space or something on that line, or you want to send the file to a client, then you can always do that and just clean up the trash. But yeah, otherwise, just a quick recap. So in order to find stuff from your trash, you want to go to your design editor on our primary toolbar here. Go to the second tab, objects, main page, master page, then trash. You'll find it under there. And to clear your trash, you can go to edit, trash can, and then at the bottom there, empty trash. But yeah, otherwise, thanks guys for following along. In the meanwhile though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.